Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am outside, as you can probably tell. I'm sure you can hear some birds and my dog chewing on some leaves and some people mowing their lawn. But I am out here today because we are working with Bleach and we are doing a upcycled thrift flip. We are going to turn this old t-shirt into a beautiful beach cover up. So I'm very, very excited. I apologize about the noise, guys, but I hope that you enjoy. Alright guys, so this is what the shirt looks like before. So this is a 2XL I found from Goodwill, and you can see it's like perfect length. It's just long enough to cover my booty, but I would definitely size up if you can find a bigger shirt. I liked this one because I have like the underwater theme going on, but as you can see it's really big and boxy and it doesn't really show my bathing suit very much. So I'm really going to be focusing on making it look a little more feminine and kind of trimming it down on top to show a little more of my bikini. I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair up because it is hot. It was also recently pollen season in Georgia, so if you can see the pollen on the walls and on the chairs, that is why. The first thing that we are going to do is go ahead and bleach this shirt. Now you can do this in a number of different ways. I have decided that I'm going to bleach the top half and do like a little half and half action with the shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it at the mark where I want it to end. So I think right here. This is really your own opinion. If you find a shirt from Goodwill, or if you have an old shirt, or maybe like your dad or your husband has a shirt that you can use, your boyfriend, like whatever you want to do, guys. This is kind of just like how I want to do it in this video, but I hope that it gives you some inspiration for how you can do your own. Okay. There we go. So this obviously isn't going to stop the bleach, but it's kind of going to give me like a marker for where I want to end it. You also probably want to use some gloves for this video. I forgot to get some at the store, so I will not be using any. I'm going to be extremely careful. And then you just need bleach and some scissors. And then we also have a tub of hot water, and then we have a tub for our bleach as well. Now that I have officially marked it off, it is time to start the bleaching process. I'm very, very nervous, guys, but we can do this. We can do this together. I feel like I may have put too much, but oh well, this is going to be a learning experience for all of us. I'm going to go ahead and dump my first half into the tub of bleach. I'm using my little hair tie as a marker for where I do not want the bleach to go any further. If you really, it's already turning, this is great. If you really want your line to be very precise, you can use like duct tape or Sharpie or something like that. I really don't care. I'm just wearing it to the beach, so I'm trying to make it look like a little messier. I'm not really stressing about it too much. Okay, look guys, can you see that it's already changing? So let's go ahead and wring that out. Don't worry, I'm gonna wash my hands right after this. It's kind of what it's looking like right now, and I'm just gonna hang this so that it can dry. Alright guys, so it doesn't have to be 100% dry, but as long as it looks how you want it to look, you can see I kind of left a little bit of the blue. We're gonna go ahead and start washing out the bleach. The longer you obviously let your shirt air dry, the whiter it's gonna get until there's no color left. But I'm pretty happy with how it's come out, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it with warm water. This is gonna take out, oops, I should probably sit for this part. This is gonna take out the bleach, so it's gonna stop changing after this point. So that's why you wanna make sure it looks as perfect as you can get it before you do this step. And now we're just gonna let it air dry again. Alright guys, so after it finished drying, I went ahead and ran it through a cold wash in the washing machine, and then I dried it in the dryer, and this is how it looks. I think it looks so cool. I obviously had a couple drips on the bottom, but now that it is officially bleached, I'm gonna go ahead and start the cutting process. This is gonna look different for everybody, so it's really up to your preference. What I'm gonna be cutting is, I'm gonna be kind of cutting like a little U up here to give it a little more width up in the neck area. You could do like, you could cut like the entire top off, so it's kind of like an off the shoulder look. You could do a V-neck, you could do like a one shoulder thing. It's really up to your preference. I think what I'm probably gonna do is cut it and then go try it on and then come back and rework it some more. So that's basically what's happening right now. So I'm just gonna start with a little U shape and then I will show you how it looks. Okay, here we go. I'm a little nervous because I don't wanna mess it up. We got this, we got this. You can also obviously use a pencil or a Sharpie if you want to make it more exact, but like I said, I'm not really worried about that. I really am just making it a little messy. Also, using fabric scissors will probably help a lot because it's not going to destroy your scissors. I did it. This is what it looks like right now. Okay. I think I'm gonna go try it on and see how I like it, and then I will come back if I want to cut more. Alright guys, so here is what the shirt ended up looking like. I think it came out so flipping cute. I really like how I cut it because not only can you wear it like this, you can also kind of take down the shoulders a little bit, or you can kind of flip it and do like a off the shoulder look like this. Really up to your preference, but I just think it came out so cute, and I cannot believe that I did this myself, and it was so easy. And I literally paid $3 for the shirt at Goodwill, and I paid like $2.50 for the bottle of bleach, so I'm getting this Coverup for literally $5, and I'm so excited.